This is the pound yen on the 60 and we have a triangle. I'm just going to do the higher time frame analysis and going to put a structure level on at where the candle closed yesterday. And what we've been doing is we've been holding this level once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Today we are trading down within the wicks. We haven't violated that level, but it is looking like we are going to be pushing down a little lower, certainly down to this level. So a little bit of room here to go to the downside at least. If we go to the 240, what I would be doing is paying attention to this structure level just here. Multiple tests, 1, 2, 3. The problem is that this wick right here is stopping us from putting in a new low, so that's something we want to be a little bit careful of. Let's go to the 60, and here on the 60, this is what I'm liking, is this retest down here, which is once, twice, but what we've got here is we've got a swing in the market, we've got a directional move, and then we've got the market working its way lower. Now we can see this quite clearly on the 15. You can see structure still held, and if we draw it on the closes of the candles, like so, we can treat this a little bit like a triangle. And I'm just going to put a structure level on, go back out to the 60 and look left for any structure, and we do have this level here, but the we are pushing down based on the higher time frame, though we don't have that confirmation, so it's one thing to bear in mind. So back to the 15, let's bring back on the orders. We have had this level tested, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we've actually put in 2 lower closes. So here's 1, we pull back, held structure again, failed to retest the highs, and put in another lower close. So aggressive here with the stop placement just above this structure level, playing for that 127 extension. So swing low to swing high, leave that 127 on, and targets are dead on the 139 psychological number, 3 pips in front of that 127, and it does mean then in terms of risk we have 26 through reward of 40. We're back just for an update on the trade. Now got the breakout here. Have a very nice lower close candle. We may see a pullback, we may not. I have just altered my target slightly. I am shooting now just a little bit past that 139 flat, so it's worth 44 pips this. Stop staying in the same place because nothing has changed for 27. Okay, we're back for the update. Spiking through my order here, hasn't quite taken. Going to manually take it here for 42 pips. Out of that trade, very nice winner there, quick winner first thing in the morning. Wasn't textbook if I'm completely honest, but being able to read what price was doing, particularly just around this level with 2 lower closes, failed to retest the highs, holding that structure level, really indicating here that we could see a drop, and that's exactly what we got. Lovely 42 pips.